We're going to explore the apps of the home screen. First of all, we have Facetime. You can use this to call other iPhone or iPad users, either using video or audio. Next up, we have the calendar. We can enter appointments or even repeating events. Next up, we have photos. This is where all your photos and videos that you've taken are stored, as well as those received in WhatsApps. Next, we have the camera, where we can either take still photos or moving videos. Mail is where all your emails will arrive and where you can send them from. Next up, we have the clock icon. It's very useful as we can set alarms in here, use the stopwatch, or perhaps even use the timer when cooking. Here we have Apple Maps. On opening Apple Maps, it will tell us where we are, and there's a search field so we can search for other places. This is the Weather app, which will show us the weather in our current location, and we can also search for weather in other locations. Next, we have the Notes app. Notes is very useful for jotting down things like shopping lists. Here we have the Reminders app. Here we can set notifications to remind us of certain tasks. For example, when to put the recycling out. Then we have the Stocks app for keeping an eye on the world markets. Next, we have the News app, which is where we can select all our favourite news sources and have updates from all of them in one handy place. This updates as often as the news does. Here we have the iTunes Store app, where you can purchase things like magazines to read at your leisure on the phone. The App Store is where you can download applications for your phone. Either free or paid applications live here. Books. This is where you can purchase books to read or even audiobooks to listen to. The Health app gathers data from your phone, Apple Watch or apps you already use, then collates all your data in one place for you to view. With the Home app, you can link all your home smart accessories. For example, lights you can turn on and off with your phone. With the Wallet app, you can store your credit cards, debit cards, or even your favourite store cards. Then you can tap your phone onto a contactless reader instead of getting your card out of your wallet or purse. In the Settings app, we can change anything from the phone's background picture, to the brightness of the screen, to the volume of the ringer, and much more. The handset icon we see here is where we make phone calls. Safari app. This is the iPhone's built-in internet browser. Messages app. Here we can read text messages that people have sent to us or compose new ones. Apple Music app. In the Apple Music app, we can find music we've purchased from the iTunes Store or browse Apple's paid-for music streaming service.